I've been trying to make my wallet fold all day. Cashing in my dreams, big payout. Underneath my money tree, big shade.
Hey freaking flyers, welcome back to another video on the channel. I'm Brandon, I'm a guy who flies. It is officially Vlogtober. If you are new here, Vlogtober is the thing on YouTube. Daily vlogging, 31 days of videos from me. Because it's 31 days of videos from me, these are shorter videos, usually somewhere between the 8 to 12 minute time frame. 10 minutes is usually the ideal goal with the Vlogtober videos, but we're gonna be doing a little bit of everything. We're gonna be working, we're gonna do some lifestyle, we're gonna do some fun, some day in the life, all of those things. I know some of you are only here for the flight attendant content, and that's cool because it'll be plenty. Well, actually, no, it won't. Later on today, we'll sit down and actually talk about my October schedule because I just swapped into the most insane charter. It won't be a lot of work this month. I have 7, 8, 9, 10 days of vacation this month too, so we'll be home in Virginia as well. I am currently en route to my car because it's parked on the street cleaning side of the street and I need to move it in the next like 10 minutes. I was talking so fast earlier, I don't even think I mentioned what was happening today. I just pulled up at the mall because I want to look for transitional pieces. Now that fall is here and temperature in like the 60s, I want to pick up a couple of pieces and maybe an outfit for Dallas tomorrow.
Baby, it's only you. I cannot close my eyes for long. 4 a.m. still looking at my phone. Kill me right where you want me to be. Feel like someday you'll be the death of me. You keep on getting on my way.
Made it back to the crash pad. We got a package. I know what it is. It's skincare from August Alsina's brand. It's 4 products. This is the Infused Wellness Moisture Rich Cream. I think this is the exfoliant. Yeah, the Strip Powder Exfoliator and the Begin Again Facial Cleaner and the 3-in-1 Super Elixir Facial Serum. So I have to re-up on those. I don't know why they send you the packaging like you're a first-time customer, like every time. Like, y'all can cut down on it. Like, I'm not a first-time customer. I did manage to get an outfit and some shoes while we were at the mall today, so I will show you all those tomorrow. But I need to clear up some things on my computer and my email, and then I'm going to go upstairs and actually pack. So we're going to a Black Flight Attendants USA Flight Attendant Mixer tomorrow in Dallas. Stoney is coming as well. So we're just gonna make it like an overnight trip. So I just really need to pack a bag basically for one day to be out and back. But let's talk about my schedule real quick before I get into this because I'll get super distracted responding to comments on YouTube. So my schedule for October, it was real sparse. Like that's the best word to use because I had vacation hours in the month and then I got 3 trips, 6 days of reserve. I think that's what I had over the whole month. It was like 2 Rome and 1 Berlin. I told you all Athens is ending in October for the season. Y'all, why did I just trade out of 2 3-day trips for I think it was like an 8-day charter? Something crazy like that. So we're gonna be in Europe for a huge chunk of time this month, October, but we're not gonna be working. And so I'm gonna do a long charter and then I'm gonna have like 10 days of vacation. Rude. A long charter, then I'm gonna have like 10 days of vacation, and then we're gonna have like 1 trip to finish out the month if I don't get used on my reserve. That's it. When I say these are the slowest months of the year, October is so slow, but in a good way. If you work hard in the summer and you're responsible with your money, it's okay that you're making less right now because thank God for minimums. Sorry, my mom was texting me. But yeah, that's it. That's all. I don't know if there's anything else I want to tell you all today. Like, maybe I'll bring y'all with me if I pack my bag later. But yeah. Okay, so I'm starting to get packed up. Hold on, let me shut this. All right, now that the window is shut, I had it open because I always try to get as much fresh air in here as possible. Still at the crash pad. If you ever wonder, like, why are you at the crash pad if you're not working? Well, that's because after the trip I just finished last night, I was supposed to have 2 days off until my next trip, and I was going to Dallas for one of those days that I was off. But also, you all know with the way that commuting has been, I don't be just going home all willy-nilly. Like, I gotta make sure it's a significant amount of days before I chance going home and then not being able to come back to work. So, here in the crash pad. And if you all remember earlier in the year, I told you there was a lot of people moving in because in the summertime, people transfer to New York at all the different airlines, JetBlue, Delta, American, United. Well, not really United because that's Newark, so wouldn't nobody stay here. But the other three, with the big presence here in New York, they all have New York bases. A lot of people transfer in the beginning of summer. Summer's over. People have transferred out. All these beds are now empty. There's only 2 of us here. We went from 5 of us in this room to 2. And then up here on the 3rd floor, there's 3 bedrooms up here. The big room, the medium room, and the small room. There's
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
There's a total of 14 beds on the 3rd floor. There's only 6 of us. There's 2 people in every room right now. So this is my favorite time of the year for the crash pad because it's so peaceful. That's what you see in the background is empty beds, which maybe some people will transfer. We don't know, but maybe not. That's not the point of this. I wasn't supposed to be talking about crash pads. I was going to show you all what I ended up picking up. So I got the monochromatic 2-piece set that I tried on. I ended up getting this silk top. This is actually short sleeve. I don't know if I'm actually going to keep on it. I love the pattern on this, but I really feel like it's out of season. And I mean, I could always just keep it for next year, but that's also like $60 that I could have back in my bank account if I don't decide to keep it. And I really like it. You can't see it on camera, but it looks mostly black, but it's not. It's actually like hunter green. It's like a very, very deep forest green. It's like the bulk of the shirt, and then the black. I love it. It's just thin. If it was thicker, it would be pronounced. So all of that came from Zara. I did get this pair of shoes I think I showed you all from Aldo. So a new pair of white sneakers, but they're actually like a white and a stone color. And then I went into Primark mainly to pick up some sweatshirts. So I got some oversized sweatshirts, which are probably going to get worn as airport outfits. Like you need something simple to throw on. We're entering deadhead season for what I call it. We're this time of year in work, I'll be deadheading more. So I just needed some basic pieces that I can be able to wear on a plane. And let me tell you something. As a passenger on the plane, it's gonna be cold. So you need to dress appropriately. So yeah, what else? I felt like I spent way more money than that. Oh, sorry, can't show that. That is Whistlin's gift if you follow the world of Whist. She moved into her own spot recently, like earlier this year. And her gift has been here for a very long time because she and I, we are 2 workhorses. And so our schedules rarely line up. But that is a gift that has been sitting here waiting for her. And all the people in the crash pad have been like, when are you going to give her gift? And I was like, when I see her, mind you business, okay? So they're just like, this gift has been here for like a couple months now. And I'm like, and it's going to be here for a few more months. Is that all I bought? I spent way more than just Zara. Where's the H&M bag? Ooh, that must be still in the car. Okay, so there was a bag from H&M too, but yeah, that's not gonna be in this video because, yeah, that's that. All right, I've been rambling. Video's already way too long. I'm gonna pack up my bag. I have my regular size carry-on, but then I also have my company bag, which is a smaller size carry-on. And I actually think I can get everything into this because I'm gonna have the shoes I wear to the airport, and then I'm gonna have my shoes for the party, and then 2 outfits and toiletries. So yeah, I think I might pack my smaller carry-on. And then in terms of a second bag, I might just bring my work tote because it's October, so I'm gonna need to edit and post. So yeah, that's it, that's all. Have I closed out the vlog already? Let me just do it again. Thank you all so much for watching. If you made it this far, the first day of Vlogtober is over and done. I'm Brandon, I'm a guy who flies, and I will see you all tomorrow.